Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to access OneDrive Recycle Bin in 2025. If you've ever accidentally deleted a file on OneDrive and panicked, don't worry. This feature is a lifesaver, letting you recover your stuff quickly. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing files, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OneDrive account. Open your web browser and head to onedrive.live.com, or use the OneDrive app on your Windows PC, Mac, or mobile device. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders laid out nicely. Now, here's the key step. Look for the Recycle Bin icon, usually in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it right away, click on the three dots or the More option to expand your navigation menu. It's that simple. Once you click on the Recycle Bin, you'll see a list of all the files you've deleted recently. OneDrive keeps these items for a certain period, typically 93 days, but this might vary based on your account type or Microsoft updates in 2025. From here, you can browse through the files, select what you want to recover, and hit the Restore button to bring them back to their original location. If you're sure you don't need a file anymore, you can permanently delete it to free up space. Pro tip: if you're using the mobile app, tap the menu icon in the top left, scroll down, and find the Recycle Bin option. It's straightforward, but always double-check before deleting anything permanently. This feature has been updated in recent years to be more user-friendly, so in 2025, you might notice some new search filters to quickly find specific files. And there you have it. Accessing the OneDrive Recycle Bin is quick and easy, helping you avoid that sinking feeling of lost data. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.